Finding a secure way to install a video doorbell without drilling into your front door can be challenging, and that's exactly where this anti-theft doorbell mount stands out. Designed to be compatible with Ring battery doorbell models, it offers a simple installation process while adding an extra layer of protection against theft and accidental removal. If you live in an apartment, rental property, dorm, or anywhere permanent modifications are not allowed, this mount provides a practical solution that keeps your door intact. The biggest advantage is its no-drill installation. Instead of using screws that leave permanent holes, the mount securely clamps onto the door, allowing you to install the doorbell in just a few minutes with basic tools. This makes it ideal for renters who want the benefits of a smart video doorbell without violating lease agreements or damaging the property. If you move, the mount can also be removed easily without leaving noticeable marks. Security is another major highlight. The anti-theft design encloses the doorbell inside a sturdy metal housing that helps prevent unauthorized removal. While no security accessory is completely theft-proof, the reinforced construction creates an additional barrier that makes it significantly harder for someone to quickly detach and steal the doorbell. This added peace of mind is especially valuable for homes with high foot traffic or shared entrances. The build quality feels solid and durable, making it suitable for everyday outdoor use. The materials are designed to withstand changing weather conditions while keeping the doorbell firmly in place. Even after repeated opening and closing of the door, the mount remains stable without excessive movement or vibration. Its clean design also blends well with most modern entryways, maintaining a neat appearance instead of looking bulky or intrusive. Another benefit is that the mount is engineered to avoid blocking the camera's field of view or interfering with motion detection. The doorbell can continue capturing visitors, packages, and movement around the entrance, while delivering clear video and reliable notifications. Audio quality also remains unaffected, since the housing leaves the necessary openings for the microphone and speaker. Compatibility is an important consideration with any mounting accessory, and this model is specifically designed for compatible Ring battery doorbell devices. As long as your door meets the recommended thickness requirements, installation is straightforward and secure. Before purchasing, it's still a good idea to verify that your exact doorbell model and door dimensions match the manufacturer's specifications for the best fit. Overall, this anti-theft doorbell mount delivers an excellent combination of convenience, security, and ease of installation. It removes the need for drilling, protects your investment with a durable anti-theft enclosure, and works well for renters and homeowners alike. If you're looking for a reliable way to mount a compatible Ring battery doorbell while keeping it secure and maintaining a clean installation, this accessory is a practical and worthwhile upgrade that balances protection, simplicity, and everyday usability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.